Uh,
Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Brian just got back from his school and this is all his candy. And he's organizing it. Now tell us all about it, Bri.
If my brother are gonna have a blue pop or a red pop.
Who's getting what? He's put them into piles and he wants to share them with his brothers. Isn't that nice? Go ahead, tell us about it.
These ones are Donnie's gonna get the chocolate one, Luke's gonna get the strawberry one, and I'm gonna get the bowl one.
And what about Drew?
Drew's gonna get the jelly one. Drew's gonna get the cool thing,
Oh,
and if he wants some more, I will give them M&M's.
okay.
And who don't like these pretzels?
Yeah, he doesn't really like those. You like those though.
And who likes these M&M's?
No, those are not M&Ms. What are those?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Who likes these M&Ms? Who likes these things? Fishies.
And Brian is 3 years old and
this
2
is
months.
hard to gum you need. You basically did. This is hard gum. And the special thing is these are
What are those called? Do you remember?
what on Nicholas.
Yes.
And this is a black thing.
What's that called?
Tootsie Roll.
Very good.
Tootsie Roll when you open it, like that.
He must be his Aunt Gigi's
And
child. He knows all the candy names. No, he's...
this is the thing. If you want a lollipop, just tell me.
Are you the candy man?
What?
Are you the candy man? You have all the candy for everybody?
No. And this one you can touch. This thing you can touch. Only these. No, you can eat these stuff. You get the rattle, don't you? And this thing. Oh, my bad. My goodie bag. Oh, that's okay. Thing your mom needs to open. And this thing, boy, this thing you gotta turn around. This thing you gotta open down here. And see the winner, you have this stuff. And the last one, see the one family, see the blue stuff.
Don't fall off the back of the table, honey.
And these are for Halloween.
Candy corn?
Candy corn is for Halloween. And the last time, this is my juice bottle. And I have a telescope.
Ooh. Cool.
And
Drew is going to love that because that's like a magnifying glass and Drew really wants a magnifying glass.
No, I know. Drew just wants a telescope.
Yeah. Okay, you say bye. Drew was Woody for Halloween. What does Woody say?
Woody says, the song says, I named Woody.
And what does Buzz Lightyear say? Because he might be Buzz Lightyear.
I am not Woody, I am Buzz Lightyear. And Buzz Lightyear says, I can fly.
And what else does Buzz Lightyear say?
Then I'm the rescue.
Okay, say bye, everyone.
And the last one is,
Oh,
I have a black show and a lollipop. And an M&M with a whistle pop and a finger. And one more finger. My baba. One more finger.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Let's do it again, okay, Mommy?
Say I love you.
No, let's do it again, Mom, okay?
All right.
The lollipop, just open it like this. Repeat it. And you know how to do it. You just put that over there, like that. And do that. And Mom will catch you. This is all gum. And
Brian, can you say I like lollipops?
I like lollipops.
Smile when you say it.
I like lollipops.
Say lollipops taste good.
Lollipops are good. And you know how a lot of stuff you get from gummies, gummy pumpkin, or gummy pumpkin. And you know gummy pumpkins are skeletons.
Look at me. Brian, look at me. Look at mommy. Look at the camera. Say cheese. Look at me. No, you have to look at me. Very handsome.
No, I gotta say action and then I gotta say these monsters are called lollipops and then I gotta say these monsters called this and this and this.